they gun me down. I keep it 100, they crunching it.
So today we are welding the diff. Alright, cheap diff oil. Cheap diff oil, gear oil. Where's the super cheap auto brand? I can't see it. Can you see it?
What else they have cheap?
There's Valvoline. They should. They totally should. Unless it's Repco that has like all the home brand stuff. Alright. Damn. We'll have to go to Repco. That's the go. What are you doing? Alright. Man, grab a bunch of this. Degreases of diff. So this is a grubby open diff. As you can see, it is a little dirty. It's got about 30 years. Yeah, like around 30 years of crusty oil and spiders and crap all over that. So we're gonna be welding that today. So I have already pulled it out, but for those who will be watching this to see maybe how to pull the diff out, I'll show you how to put it back in so that, you know, if you just do that in reverse, then that's how you take it out. So yeah, super easy, super simple to get out. Only took me literally 20 minutes. So now we're going to degrease the absolute crap out of this, make it look a bit nicer. We have to clean the insides, take the front bit off the diff, expose all the gears, and then we have to weld her up so we can do some mad skids at Matsuri. So once that's all well done and it's back in the car, we will be doing some hectic skids at the end of this video. So stick around to the very end if you want to see this thing ripping some skids, potentially with no doors. So yeah, it's gonna be hectic. Stick around, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see some more content, and let's get into welding the diff. Alright, so to get it all clean, we have like literally five bottles of this super cheap auto decal. And because we're gonna have to do a couple of oil changes, we just got 5 litres of AW90 GL5 oil, so we can weld it, put some oil through it, turn it, and then drain it again, just in case there's like anything left in the gears, because you do not want anything left in the gears. So I'm gonna take this outside and we're gonna molest it with the degreaser.
Could you see once we're in it? Can't think what we can't be.
Oh, sick. Oh, my diff's on fire. Get the water, quick. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Burnt all my gears to crisp, bro. Sick. That's welded. Done. Alright, we got Wayne. That's Wayne. Hey Wayne, we got Zane setting up the welder. He's going to do some practices on these ones. We've just put some new wiring into there, so that'll be all good to go. I got the diff like just baking out here now, so I pretty much fully cleaned it as much as I really wanted to be honest. So can't really be bothered cleaning any more than that, but yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Definitely looks a lot better. I don't know why the front of it is silver. You know, the outside of it's black, like the pumpkin's black. That's weird. Anyway, so now we're gonna crack it open and do some hectic welds, boys. I'm just gonna assume it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You reckon? Yeah? Yeah. Just those 6 bolts. Make sure that you've drained your diff before doing this. Otherwise you're gonna have a pretty bad time. Fucking all over. Oh look, it's cracked. It's already all over. Fucking hell, that was very easy to get off.
Probably why it was leaking.
Yeah, probably. Alrighty. Alright, let's just lay that down there. Have a look at what we got on the inside. You can see we have our open piece of shit diff, which feels very crappy. So pretty much we're gonna right in there weld a plate and just make all those gears turn as one. Oh yeah. It's just gonna turn like that at the end instead of being able to turn like this. It'll just turn one way and then we'll just get hectic drifts. We need to clean the absolute shit out of this because you cannot weld unless that is completely clean. And yeah, so is that what we're gonna do? We're just gonna weld like a plate in there?
Spider gears.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, so they just can't turn.
Yep.
Sweet. Fuck yeah, look at that. Shitty open diffness. So we got told that we should actually just jam nuts and bolts in there and weld it like that, but I think we're just gonna use a plate because all the nuts and bolts we have are zinc coated, so they're really hard to actually weld. Oh, we don't have a new gasket. We'll just use silicone.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Probably better.
Yeah, probably. Alright, sweet. Well, we are gonna clean this bad boy up and then get into welding. What is going on, my boy? Not much. How you going?
Good.
On to the second side?
Yeah. That was the first side.
Yeah, sick. Let me see the first side.
Pass me.
Okay, I don't really care. As long as it works, whatever. So, here's our bolts. We're putting 3 in each side, so what, we're putting like one there,
Yeah,
and one in the middle?
Putting the longer one in the middle so it reaches the ends. But yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Alrighty, so here we have our prime welded diff, which I can't even move because it's sitting on its plate. So we got 3 bolts welded this way on this side and I think 1 that way and then the same on the other side. So it does not move independently, it all just moves as one now. So I'll clean this plate up and then now we've got, did you find it?
Ah, so it's good for diffs.
Oh, okay, so we've got some of this stuff and we'll beat it around there, chuck her back on and seal her up. Let's do it. Oh, pump that pedal, Zane.
Oh, you do one at the same time.
What the fuck? Don't fuck your fingers up.
I just said don't fuck my fingers up.
Alright, so to put the diff back in, all it is 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and then you have your CV bolts, 4 nuts on the drive shaft, and 1 rear mount. We have to do the sway bars up now. We've done CVs, both mounts. So now we have to put the sway bar on and then we'll fill it for oil and we'll take it for a few figure 8 drives. Then we'll have to come back, drain it, and then fill it again. And then we'll do some skiddies, and hopefully all goes well. So we're doing some figure eights now on a little dirt track. The Diff is just skipping so much, man. Holy shit. That just good?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, try it.
Oh,
loose.
Fucking hell. Alright, we're gonna refill it with some oil and we'll go do some skids. Alright, so we're gonna crack it off into a glass container and we're gonna see, so we've just gone for our first drive, so we'll crack it off and catch it and see what comes out. Hopefully no big chunks of weld come out. Tip it out? Yeah, nice catch. Cark.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's clean. Oh my god. Oh no. We can just put that back in. Is it metallic-y? No.
Not really.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that.
Nice.
Nothing bad coming out?
Nah. Pretty good.
Hell yeah, dude. Alright, so we'll fill it with some fresh oil and then we'll go have some fun. Oh my god. Fuck. This thing goes hard. Oh, fuck, that was good. That does fucking good drift. Holy shit. Oh, this guy's sick. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks to Zane, the guy behind the camera. He did all the welding today because I've never fabricated in my life. So, but yeah, we just took the car for a skid, and as you can see, I can't wipe the smile off my face because that was freaking hectic. But yeah, all in all, that's a good day, and I hope that this video helped you. If you want to weld your Diff, I highly recommend welding it. But if you're going to drive it on the street, don't weld it because it's just like, it's fucking a bit skippy. So yeah, as always guys, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Yeah, see you in the next one. Call out. Peace.